All right, everyone. Today, we got this beautiful Tamiya Lunchbox kit here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, show off this nice box art, and it's gonna be a 3-part video series, with the first part being the nice unboxing and showing the box art. So, enough talking, let's go ahead and show you guys this box. So we're gonna start here with the face of the box. There's the art, it's Vanessa's Lunchbox, kind of shows the Lunchbox kind of doing a little wheelie. There's brand Tamiya. Got it for $139.99 from Jake's Performance Hobbies down in Rohnert Park, California. Highly recommend them if you're in the Sonoma County area. They've got the best prices, to my understanding. A lot cheaper than, or a little bit cheaper than the internet price, so that was pretty cool. So it's 1/12 scale. Kind of just tells you ready to assemble model kit, sturdy box frame chassis, heavy duty coil spring, dampened shocks front and rear. It's got a sealed gearbox with a differential. You know, I believe this rear end is just like the same as the Grasshopper and the Hornet, which we actually built a Hornet about a year ago. And it gives you a nice hobby wing 1060 brushed ESC right there. So it's pretty nice. Brought to you by Alaska Airlines. And down here, they just kind of show you a nice little diagram of like the frame, the wheels, little tune-up parts, the required parts that you need. So you are going to need a transmitter, a receiver, and a battery and servo. They do include the motor and speed controller for you. And that's pretty cool right there, the tune-up parts, sealed ball bearings, and some upgraded shocks. We're just gonna run this with the stock plastic bushings. So I'm gonna go ahead here to the side. It just tells you Lunchbox, beautiful logo, little 1/12 scale, little part number, Tamiya logo right there. Very nice, I like it. We're gonna go ahead, look on this side of the box here, and it's identical to the other side. Pretty straightforward. Just look at that art, amazing job. Then right here, different colorways that they've been colored. Here we've got a nice little green, pink, orange right there, so that's pretty cool. Just kind of showing more in detail the whole mechanical aspect of it right there. There you can see the battery and all the nice tucked wiring. Tells you what's included, the wheelie bar. Got the front dampened shocks, the special resin front bumper. Just very nice. They do a good job explaining everything. There it is in English and Japanese, I'm assuming. It just kind of tells you all the specs and everything. Just very nice. To finish it off, they wrap it in this nice saran wrap. But I think it's time that we cut this saran wrap open. So I'm just gonna use my finger right there. Pull this aside. We're gonna start to peel everything apart here. See what's in the box. So saran wrap's out, and then we're gonna pull the lid off, and let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that, guys. They sure know how to pack everything up, and looks amazing. So there it says Lunchbox RC Customized Monster Van. Here they give us a nice little sheet about kind of gives us information about spare parts and hop-up notice, so that's pretty cool. Just telling you all of that. Love it. There's their social media right there, Tamiya USA, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Nice. Here are the cool tires. Look at this. Nice little all-terrain, all-traction. This is cool. They call these the all-traction utility tires. They got this nice V-shaped, I know some people call this a chevron style. Very nice. And here we have the little box here. Kind of tells you Lunchbox 1/12 scale RC customized monster van for racing and show. Go ahead and cut this tape off right here. There we go. Pull the lid off. Here's our little parts bags, bumper, all the gears, the motor, just a nice stock sealed can motor right here. We'll probably upgrade it to a torque tune down the road, but yeah, just very nice. They give you your grease, body pins, everything. They're the spring. So this here kind of has all your more mechanical parts that they put in the box. We're gonna go ahead and seal that up. Here's the nice body, nice ABS plastic. It's white. Obviously we're gonna go ahead and paint it yellow and start applying the decals and everything, but very nice body, pretty durable feeling. It's got a little bit of flex, so it should be easy to put on the frame. Love it. Here's the tubbed frame. Very straightforward, basic little tub frame here. Nice. I am so stoked to put this kit together. Here's a parts tree for the transmission. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. What else do we got in here? Here's the chrome for the side pipes, the grill, the brush guard. Very nice. Rear bumper as well. Here's our nice little hobby wing speed controller. Okay, okay, not bad. More parts tree stuff. This appears to be parts for the shocks, parts for the steering servo. Okay, very cool. We've got our wheels. Nice bright yellow wheels. Super, just look how deep these things are. It's gonna look very good, especially putting that tire on there. I am excited. It's gonna look awesome. Toss that to the side here. Here's our windshield, or side glass, all the glass for it. It's got a nice tint to it. It's a nice touch by Tamiya right there. It's nice. And more parts to the tub, little parts for the front part of the frame, a little bit of, you know, just all the plastic pieces here they give you in the bag, and little antenna tube. And then we've got our nice instructions here that we're gonna follow. They're all black and white, just straightforward instructions, so that's gonna be awesome. And little warranty card, I believe. Yep. And of course, the decal sheet, because you got to finish off a nice painted body with the decals. Now, these decals here, I can't tell, but I think Tamiya pre-cut these, which is awesome. Because on the Tamiya Hornet kit we had to cut them out ourselves with an X-Acto knife. But these are pre-cut decals. See, I love when companies pre-cut the decals. If you can see right there, it's perfect. It just lays on so much better. I love pre-cut decals. I mean, not having the pre-cut decals and you have to go with the knife, and sometimes it just ends up looking kind of funny. I don't know why the Hornet isn't pre-cut, but on the Lunchbox they are. I think Tamiya should just pre-cut all the decals in my opinion, but I'm very excited that they pre-cut them. That is awesome. That finishes up the unboxing here. I'm excited to put this together, so stay tuned for the second video where I'm going to show the van getting put together and the body getting painted. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.